Beautiful people, good afternoon. How you guys doing? How are you guys? Mighty God. People, it act like a hell on wheels. My God. People, so damn hot. Oh, hot is it? Jesus Christ, hot. What go on, people? What a go on? What's going on? So, Mike gonna sleep. Somebody decided to come sneak away and come alive. Vanilla, where are you? Vanilla, where are you? So Mike drop asleep and I say, I'm bored. So I say, I'm going to come give you a little tour while we're there. I say, Vanilla cuss me and say I'm selfish. So Vanilla, come on for you specifically, Vanilla. Because you say I don't like the video. Hello, Natasha Barnes, how are you? Hi, Yolanda Lee, how you doing? Vanilla, you're going to count the outfit as part of me showing you what I wear. Or me know you're terrible, you're not going to want to do that. You're going to say this no count. Because this is what I wear come here today. Terrible, you say. Nation, big up yourself. Alright, before me show you the room, me show you back out. Let me show you out here, so. This is like a little patio area out from our room. So it's the ocean out there, yeah, and the pool area, one of the pool area right here. I'm looking nice. Thank you so much, Sasha. 3 days. She said 3. Me no nation. She said 3 days. And she not, the girl wicked enough, she not go one count today. Ever blessed Nikki, big up yourself. She not go one count today in her head. Yeah. So alright, I'm give you a tour of room, but me can't be too loud. Me gotta be kinda quiet, you understand? Come Mike asleep. I'm not gonna sing by the bed asleep. So I'm not going to chat too much, you understand? Alright, so I'm turn around. Alright, I'm going to our room. Alright, I'm walking to my room. I'm going to give you now a little tour. You have to be quiet. And shut up and be loud, you understand? Shut up and be loud. So this is our room. I'm showing our room. Every dog quiet. You must sleep, alright? So this is when you enter. See, when you too long reach here. Yeah, about 2 hours ago. And he's tired because we left super early this morning, right? Alright. So him say I'll take a nap. I say, alright, cool. When I take a nap, me good man. Me go sit down on the balcony while you take a nap. So instead of me doing that, me give you a little tour. But me can't be too loud, alright? Alright, because I love talk about me not like share. Especially Vanilla. When me gonna women I like share with people. Alright. So come, this is the little mini bar right here, so. Alright. Yeah, mini bar right here, so. Then you have a table right here, so right. Yeah, table. Alright, me showing every nooks and cranny, you know. When we hold on, me showing everything. Alright. This painting by the wall. Alright, cause I'm saying I like for sure. This we seating area. Look there, look up there, so look up there, so. See him there on the bed asleep. You see him? Wanna see him? Yeah, alright. So the TV stand. And you have to step up. We go right up, right bedroom area, alright. See him there on the bed, wanna see something now. Pass out. Shh. Me feel like gonna chat loud. Alright. This we're gonna turn here so now. We're turn here so. And this is the part. Yeah, this is the tub, one night tub, right? It's a bathroom area. Where I go down. A bathroom area. Wanna be quiet, no man. Nation, why you so loud? Shh, Jennifer. Shh. Don't be laughing. So city, bathroom area. Wanna not look by me in a mirror. Not too fast. And this side, a toilet. You have a toilet. Different. This side, yeah. If you rinse out your body when you take a dump, yeah, the one there. You understand me? I say, when I understand, yeah. Then you have a shower in it. Shower big. Shower humongous. I shower. And the toilet. And then you have right there, so when I see that, I mirror. Full body mirror. But me not go in front of it, front of see me. I'm not too damn fast. Alright. So, we'll go back. We'll go back. You're not done yet, you're not done. Hold on. So we're going to go back down and I just step down, you understand? We're going to step. Vicky, me, take time, take the man. When me feel like say I take hard. And you go wake up, man. Jesus Christ. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So here is a view, another view. Another view. So you come out there, so now. And we have a hot tub right out there by the balcony. Yeah. You understand? But if you want dogo, you can't dogo when it's dark. You understand? You want dogo. And it's a balcony that goes all the way around. All the way around, you see it? Yeah, all the way around. See, you can't go up. We can't sit down up this way. I feel we're room the same way, right there, so. Cheer, there is so. We can't turn around. Go back down. Yeah, we can turn around and go back down. Lord, one was so loud and Volker with the laughing. He man asleep. He said, go off by me. That's the only thing we can take with you. Wi-Fi, you know, when you travel. They don't know if they behave themselves. And you have this side. So it's basically a whole balcony we have. Go all the way around. Yes. So, can't dogo. So if me promise him, say, me we dogo in a this, then he won't mind for me come back on, you know, like a tour at the resort and show you. Maybe if me do that will work. One thing, huh? Yeah, one thing. If me say, me do like a dogo in a this. You will let me come show a resort. The Wi-Fi murder me. Yeah, so this is it, guys. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, watch him. So I can promise him I like a dogo in the hot tub. Yeah, isn't it lovely? And then it will make me go show on the rest I go. By the way, we're in Costa Rica. Yes, guys, we're in Costa Rica. Just in case you no wonder. Yeah. So, I promise him I like a dogo in the hot tub. And it will probably make me, he won't mind for me, a tour of the grounds. You understand? Yeah, when you promise them dogo, now we make you do anything. You understand? Yes. Hi, Juliet. I go back out by the balcony so I can't talk. And I wake him up. Yes, I see. It's beautiful. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. See there, Vanilla? Yes. Me not like gonna laugh off of me, you know. Alright, let me go. Go back on it. There's an elevator right near here. White boy, I look by myself. My husband asleep, don't look by me. Puny looking for me. But like strong Jamaican man with drink Guinness. Look for me. Don't look for me. Yeah. Man, we eat ackee and saltfish. You understand? Not bacon and egg. And pancakes. Yam and banana. And cook up socks. Cook up saltfish. That's what I say. Well, this is as bad as we. Yes, we're in Costa Rica. Well, not just as bad as we. Well, terrible. Yes. So, I will come back. Oh, no, get me stuck in it. Oh, no, get me stuck in it whispering and I can't come out of it. Jesus Christ. Me can't come out there whispering. Oh, no, give me back my voice. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to come back later because I have to do the outfit challenge and show what I wear for Vanilla. What kind of predicament that the girl put me in, man? Murder. Oh, can't bother, you know. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy me showing. Yeah. I know I didn't. I'm going to come back and show you all the grounds. Not today though. Maybe tomorrow. Love the ear. You love my ear color. Thank you so much. I mean, they want to show no me no come on surprise you know, with everything. My ear color, yeah. But me just can't chat to no looking on her face, yeah. Me feel like me as not looking at my face and me looking at her face too now. Me not like talk to her behind the camera. Yeah, so that's why me have to give it a look. But I'll come back. You're here, big up on yourself, and I love you guys as always. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it, alright? Mike say, you can go on. Me not stop you from going on. It's just like when we're at dinner, him not like when me up on it. Him want looking at my eyes. You ever hear nothing like this? Him want to stare into my soul. Yeah. Alright, love you guys. You're here, and I will try. I will come back later. If you don't miss me showing the room, you can go back and watch it. You hear that? This is for Vanilla. Vanilla, big up yourself. I love you, girl. May I go wake him up? Because we need to go for something to eat. May I get hungry now? I'm thirsty, and it's 90 something degrees outside, guys. 90 something degrees. Yeah, it's like 93 degrees, 93 or 94. Yeah, 93, 94. The sun is blinding. Woo. But I'll definitely come back and show you guys some more. All right, big up yourself. All right, big up on yourself. Yes, we're in Costa Rica. All right, later, my beautiful kings and queens. All right, later.